So hello guys, welcome to Technologies YouTube channel. So in this video I will share fantastic website with you guys where you can easily get your YouTube thumbnails, your logos, flyers, Facebook posts which you can edit like you want, many other things absolutely free guys you will get from the website. So let's go to the video. So the website name is canva.com. Here guys you can create many designs, like you can create your logo, posters, here you can see Facebook covers, YouTube thumbnails. You have a YouTube channel, you can get a free YouTube thumbnail and you can edit the thumbnails like you want easily guys. You can create Instagram posts, YouTube channel art, many other things you will get from here. So let's begin. I will show you some design of a YouTube thumbnail. So let's click on the YouTube thumbnails and you will guys see here you can see lots of YouTube thumbnails templates. Those you can edit by your own. Like I'll click on this and here you will get a new window. So guys you just have to edit the text and you can also change the background image by your own. So I will edit the text like I want to create a YouTube thumbnail of best gadgets to buy in 2020. You can manage the text size from here. You can control the size. So guys you can easily manage the text. You can change the background as well. So I will paste the text here. Anything you can easily edit guys, like the text below the title you can easily edit. You can also change the color from clicking here. You can select any color guys. You can change the image as well. You can crop the image. Everything is editable, free. You can download the thumbnail from the top corner download button. You can click on this. You can download the image and you can paste it on your YouTube channel. It is absolutely free, non-copyrightable. You can easily commercialize the image absolutely free. So guys here you can easily, so here you can find many other things, like you can create your own logo here. You can search for anything you want guys. The website is just amazing, you will love it. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please click on the like button, subscribe our YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So let's meet in our next video. See you soon.